This is the scene of modern and efficient coriander harvesting. This 8 million giant cilantro harvester. Just drive towards the cilantro. You can harvest the cilantro from the field into the bucket of the car. Harvester like this. Thousands of acres of cilantro can be harvested in an hour. Compared to traditional manual harvesting methods, it's a dimensionality reduction strike. After the freshly harvested cilantro is delivered to the factory, workers will remove part of the cleaned cilantro, squeezed into delicious cilantro juice, then mix well with an appropriate amount of flour, and through the layer processing of the roller, made into thick green crepes. Then it is cut into thin noodles, through processes such as cooking, cutting and setting, make delicious cilantro dough cakes. And the remaining cilantro will be carefully selected by the workers, machine cut into pieces, then use FD freeze drying technology, dehydrate and dry the cilantro, make cilantro buns. After that, it can be packaged and shipped with the dough cakes. White Elephant's new coriander instant noodles. It's already on the market and it sells out in an instant. In addition to coriander dough cakes and bone broth bottoms, it also comes with 2 cilantro buns. The strong coriander flavor, with smooth noodles. Have a bite. It's so satisfying. If you think the cilantro flavor is not strong enough, the White Elephant also comes with 2 bags of cilantro buns as standard. The love of cilantro is as high as 2 boxes. If you don't eat cilantro, I suggest you try it too. It really opens up a whole new world for you.